In the cosmic symphony of societal dynamics, where the melodies of collective action and shared purpose harmonize, community organizing emerges as a transformative and empowering force, a mystical endeavor guiding individuals through the dynamic landscape of grassroots mobilization, social change, and the cultivation of a resilient, interconnected cosmic community. Envision, if you will, a celestial assembly where organizers, draped in cloaks woven from threads of empowerment and solidarity, gather beneath the cosmic canopy to shape the destiny of united and empowered societies. In this metaphysical realm, community organizers assume the mantle of cosmic catalysts, extending their mission beyond individual pursuits to the expansive realms of shared resources, collective well-being, and the amplification of diverse voices within the cosmic community. Their noble quest, to weave an ethereal tapestry of inclusivity, justice, and advocacy that fortifies communities, fosters resilience, and empowers individuals to participate in shaping their shared destiny. These are the sacred threads of community organizing, resonating with the profound responsibility of nurturing a vibrant, interconnected societal fabric. Amidst the cosmic dance of societal narratives, a spectral figure named Solidarius emerges, an embodiment of the principles and values that guide community organizers through the nuanced choreography of mobilizing diverse voices, fostering collaboration, and effecting positive change. Organizers, akin to cosmic architects, navigate the intricate steps of this ethereal dance, where the rhythms of grassroots engagement harmonize with the pulse of societal transformation. The Cosmic Council of Community Organizers engages in a symphony of collaboration and advocacy. Each note resonates with considerations of community empowerment, participatory decision-making, issue-based campaigns, and the delicate balance between preserving cultural diversity and forging a united cosmic identity. The winds of social change and the fires of collective mobilization shape the practices inscribed in the cosmic tapestry, forging a covenant that echoes through the realms of collective empowerment. As the cosmic drama of human existence unfolds, community organizers ascend as architects of resilience, wielding the sacred threads that bind diverse communities together. These threads, unveiled in moments of transformative revelation akin to the unveiling of a community-led initiative, are shared with the global community as a beacon of collaborative and empowering service. In this mystical narrative, community organizing becomes a dynamic and evolving saga, adapting to the ever-shifting landscapes of societal needs, cultural dynamics, and global challenges. It is a tale where community organizers, as cosmic catalysts, play pivotal roles in the ongoing drama of societal resilience and empowerment. The threads of community organizing echo through the corridors of human history, shaping the destiny of interconnected communities within the grand tapestry of collective well-being and shared destiny.